Well, today on the National Real Estate Cafe, we're going to go over what some other smart people say. Nothing about Don and I. We're just going to regurgitate some information so that you know that we're not just two talking heads.
Well, all right, because remember, our goal is to always share what information is out there, not just us sharing the same old stuff. So, we got some smart people. Let's go to the first slide.
Smart.
So, what we're going to let you know is how's the real estate market happening? You've heard us over and over and over say that's super strong. We showed you a bazillion charts and graphs, and we have been right. I mean, we have this crystal ball. Again, let's show us the crystal ball. This thing has been so correct for 6.5 years now since we started our radio show at don&gino.com. Yeah, yeah, we're like, I don't think that's big enough, but it sure is good. Okay, so let's go to the next slide. Let's talk about what others are thinking. Here we go. Go ahead, Gino.
All right. Well, Fannie Mae chief economist, probably a good guy to listen to. And he says, hey, the real estate market's doing a good job so far. It's a great time to review. And the experts are saying that positive demographic factors, Don,
Oh, he loves saying that.
well, should continue to help housing grow. And the reason for that is baby boomers are still in their houses. They're not dying. They're living longer.
Yep.
And the millennials have entered the market. So now demographically, we have a larger population of people that can buy and afford homes.
All right, let's see what others are saying. We got Darren Bloomquist, Senior VP at Adam. He says, even as more homes come on the market for this traditionally popular sales season, they're flying off fast with bidding wars. And, of course, prices are going up. That's the bottom line. So it's going to surpass last peak.
Yeah, it's definitely a seller's market right now, Don. All right. And then you've got Lawrence Yuen, one of our favorites, saying that it's going to get even better. If you're considering moving, it's a really good time to sell. And we've been talking about that over and over. There's never been a better time to move up. And I can tell you from our clients' perspective, there was a little bit of a move up scare over the holidays, like everybody just kind of stayed put. But right now, spring hit, and I'm seeing move up buyer.
All right, Mark Fleming, First American Chief Economist, basically says the outlook looks good so far. It's been strong. The bottom line is we need inventory. As long as inventory increases, which this is the time of year it does, sales will remain strong.
All right, and then I'm going to go out on a limb here with the mortgage rates and say it for the first time in many of our shows. Where are you going to go there? They might go down. Yeah, take advantage in the next few weeks. It might be a small window of opportunity, but if you could take action right now while rates are low, that's right. We're going out on the limb.
Well, we told you too, when the whole hype, the Trump hype, not getting political, but we said, hey, let's see what it takes. It's going to take some time for anybody. I don't care, who got in office. It's going to take some time to make something happen. We told you that euphoria is going to wear off a little bit.
Well, I have another theory to that too. Is the Fed has been hiking rates regularly.
Yes.
So that has a lag factor that's slowly starting to hit the economy. So I think and here's another one, we're going out on a limb. The Fed may have to pause here soon. They can't continue to raise rates at the pace that they have. So they got to pause. They got to wait, and we'll see rates come down just a little bit. Doesn't mean long term they're not going to go back up, but this might be a nice little window right in the buying season.
All right, and we think, though, I think they're going to raise this next one in June, and then I think they're going to take a pause for quite some time. I really think they're going to let it, digest all the data and see how it plays out, because there's some fear factors going on in the economy right now, so we're going to see how that plays out.
Well, there's some global stuff going on, right? And we always say no matter what's going on here, we live in a global economy, and that has a big impact on the bond market. Now, here's something we read this morning is that China has said they're going to re-enter the bond purchasing market.
We're the best investment there is.
Right. So if they continue to buy our bonds and subsidize our debt, you could see rates go down again. So as long as the China-U.S. bond stays strong, rates will stay low.
All right. So take advantage of it before they go back up. You're right here in the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and Gino Fronti. You can get these texts sent right to your phone by texting NREC to the number 58885. Find out more at don&gino.com. We got over 1,600 YouTube videos with great interviews, some of the best guests you ever need. Get in the know. Check us out.